Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have an amazing genius trick for you. It has to do with salt on your car. Let's just get in the glove compartment right here. We're going to open this up. By the way, don't mind the dirty car. I promise I will clean this when it warms up. Let's just get underneath here. Oh, not that one. I can't let you see what's in there. In here, how many of you have a container of some table salt in your console? Thumbs up if you have this. Likely many of you do not have this. This is why you want this in your vehicle, easily accessible to you. It's going to save you so much time. It's going to save you money, headache, and heartache. Oh, and by the way, we're not going to put it on like the paint, the windows, because that could severely damage your vehicle. It's a hot pants kind of day. By the way, it is freezing cold. We're just going to put a little table salt here, right there. Watch what happens. Get real close. You can probably hear it. Besides the birds in the background. Yes. So what are we going to do with this? I have two tricks for you actually. You're going to want to put the salt all around your tires wherever you may be getting stuck on ice. And then what I would recommend doing is getting some cat litter. A lot of times people will keep cat litter in the back of their trunk, or you can just use dirt, rocks, anything that has some grip on it. Not only will the salt help melt the ice faster, you will have grip and grit to get your tires moving wherever you may be stuck. Now here's the second trick for you. This is a little bit strange, but let's say you got car hijacked, or someone was coming up to harm you or some sort, or maybe just the other day I saw someone roll down their window and giving the person the 5th degree, 3rd degree, 2nd degree. You get the point. Get yourself, just give it a good old sprinkle. This could be self-defense right here in a can. I mean, she looks so happy there in the rain, and it's trusted since 1848. All right, my friend, let us know in the comments box below if you've tried either of these fun life hacks. Give the video a thumbs up. Click these videos on screen now. Also, if you're wondering why you should be checking around your rim to see if there's a bottle in here, click this video right now, and I will see you in the next one.